I will give you first method, second method, third method. You must be ready with the third method how you are writing answer. Okay, see. For that reason, in algebra, how we can get the partial fractions, that is important. See, integration of partial fractions. First of all, what is that partial fractions meaning? Partial fractions are two varieties. Suppose x plus 1 by x square plus 2. Numerator degree 1 is less than denominator. Okay. 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 by x cube minus 4x square plus 1. Numerator degree 2 quadratic. Denominator 3. Numerator is less than denominator. Right? Any problem? Numerator less than denominator. Then proper partial function. Partial function it is. Proper partial function. When degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Degree meaning is highest power. Suppose not less than. What is meaning of not less than? Numerator is greater than denominator or equal. Improper. Improper partial function. That means 2x square plus 1 by 3x plus 2. Numerator is more than denominator. X square plus 1 by 2x square plus 3 equal. Improper. Majority of the problems we are doing integration for proper partial functions. Okay? After definition, improper, it is there one problem. We have this problem. At the end we will discuss about in the case of improper functions how to integrate these type of problems. We will see at the end. Okay? But maximum problems are for proper. Now we are going for in that proper partial functions. There are types. 3. More are there. 3 very useful. Out of 3, 1 and 2 very guaranteed in every entrance exam. Even in NDA exam also, 1 and 2 will be definitely given. Every year they are repeating. What is meaning of type 1, 2, 3? Now we are going. What is type 1 here? Suppose if I write numerator is 1 only. Denominator x plus 1 into x plus 3. 2 linear factors. Or numerator there can be any function linear. X plus 2 into x minus 3. Degree is 1, degree is 2. Proper. Either this variety or this variety. Any time if you get denominator contains 2 linear factors. 3 linear also okay. But linear factors only. Numerator may be 1 or one function. First, how to find partial fractions I will tell you. Integration is nothing. One answer, one line. Here, 1 by x plus 1. Don't compare this solution with POC. You cannot compare with POC. I am not at all doing POC method only. Okay? You know already. You are aware of the POC method. What is the POC method? You have to cross multiply. Cross multiply. After cross multiplying, suppose if you cross multiply, what happens? 1 is equal to a into x plus 3, b into x plus 1. Then to find the a value, b value, you have to continue that. Consider x terms on both sides. Left side no x term. Right side x term is there. Then compare constants both sides. Left side 1, here 3a, x terms a. 3a plus b, you will get two equations. You have to solve them. Solve them means subtract 2 minus 1, b cancel, 2a equal to 1, then what is a value? 1 by 2. Substitute here, a equal to minus b value minus 1 by 2. Therefore, don't compare with PUC method. Okay? This is your PUC method. We will not write. This is your a and b. You want a value. What is the denominator? X plus 1. When it is 0, minus 1. Except that, write down minus 1. Okay. Except this, here minus 1 write down. What is value? If you want b, when it is 0, minus 3. Except this, here minus 3 write down. Minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. So I am telling you first method, first level only, method only, without solution also. What is that first method? I am not finding theory. Okay? You will get a value, b value. Then I will do integration. Second method, I will write direct values only. Third method, I will not write partial fraction. I will not do integration. I will write the answer. Both I am missing. That is called the level where problem reading, that is answer. Now you see. First I will finish this one. Once if you integrate on both sides, I equal to half outside 1 by x plus 1 minus half outside dx by x plus 3, and you know denominator linear is logarithmic answer log of x plus 1 minus half log of x plus 3, and half is common log of m minus log n. What is formula? M by n plus c. This is your answer. I am not doing this method. You are getting a value, b value. You are integrating. You are getting answer. Now we will not do a value, b value also I will not find. Integration also I will not do. Okay? You see. They give two linear factors. In this, which is small, which is big, you understand? X plus 1 is smaller than x plus 3. Yeah? What is difference of these two numbers? 3 minus 1. Log of small by big. Okay? 1 by 2. What is smallest factor? I said it is x plus 1. Therefore, answer is finished. No partial fractions, no solution, no integration, answer direct, go to ABCD. Whenever you see linear factors in the denominator, you should see ABCD directly. Now I will write one example. Immediate answer tell me that x plus 5 into x plus 9. Okay. Practice 5-6 problems. That idea is important. Formula method is not. Okay. What is difference of these two? 1 by 4 log of x plus 5 by x plus 9. Answer is finished. Next problem I will write. Don't write answer. Go to problem. ABCD. X plus 7. X plus 12. ABCD. You don't put this also in rough. Answer must be 1 by 5 log x plus 7 by x plus 12. Okay? This level I want. For your idea, simplicity, one formula I will tell you. In the case of two linear factors, now you see formula. What is that formula if I write? To understand only. See, whenever there are two different linear factors, x plus a, x plus b, assume that a less than b. Understand? Small, big. Then how to write answer? 1 by b minus a log of x plus a by x plus b. Finish? 4 problems I wrote. Okay, why? What is the reason? 4 problems. Both are positive. Okay, both are negative. Positive, negative. Negative, positive. Any problem you write answer. I will give in the exam, you know this both are positive. Suddenly they will give x minus 2 into x plus 7. As usual, blindly without knowing in small big, suppose you write, assume that a value minus 2, b value 7, continue. Answer 7 minus of minus. Okay, minus in the formula, minus in the problem. 1 by 9 log x minus 2 by finish. So 4 problems I give at a time in one single result. Very very effective. Every year they are repeating. Even in NDA also this model is possible. That is why type 1 maximum they are giving. What is meaning of type 1? That denominator contains linear factors. Even this method also you will get AB values directly. Here also you have to substitute. I will show you one method with this function. Take that problem only. Suppose if they give 3x plus 2, and remember there is one reverse question. What is that reverse question? I will write this problem only. X plus 2, x minus 3 dx is equal to, they will write answer. What is the answer they are writing? A by x plus 2 means answer they write like this. A into log of x plus 2 plus b into log of x minus 3. They want only a value. Then why do you do solution? Full method, full formula, completely wasted. One unknown only they want. That is why every time I insist in this integration, they will write answer. How you will guess this unknown? Then your method impossible. This will give idea. How you get a value? Corresponding denominator must be 0. You are getting x value minus 1. Except that denominator we are writing, same follow here. How you will write first? 3x plus 2 by x plus 2, x minus 3 equal to a by x plus 2, b by x minus 3. How to get a value? When it is 0, minus 2. Except this minus, this factor you write here minus 2. Here also minus 2. Minus 6 plus 2. Minus 4. Minus 2 minus 3. Minus 5. Then what is total value? 4 by 5. After integration 1 by x plus 2, what is the answer? Log only. Then what is a value got? 4 by 5. Why do you do b unnecessary? Not possible. Solution waste only. So a is only asking. If they want b alone, you find b. Substitute x equal to 3 here. 9 plus 2 11, 3 plus 2 5, 11 by 5, answer over. Not even integration. That is why partial fractions are very very important. So suddenly they can ask for unknown number or direct answer. All that we are discussing about only type 1. Remember it is type 1 only. Now I will go to very very useful type 2. That is also very important. Type 2 is here, meaning is denominator contains repeated linear factors. Repeated linear factors means what is meaning? Whole square, whole cube, like that. Suppose general form I write here 1 by x plus a repeated twice. Other one is one time. Numerator there can be any function. Px plus q by x plus a whole square into this variety. Okay, we will consider this one first. Right? How to write partial fractions for this? Full solution is there. I am not giving full solution. I will go to shortest method only. Consider 1 by whole square into. Actually, in type 1, if there is x plus a into x plus b, you know the solution. How to find a and b? We know this solution. How to get a value? Minus a substitute here. So A is equal to, when you write minus A, 1 by B minus A. How to get B value? You have to write minus B here, 1 by A minus B. That is the idea. That only I will follow. No full solution. When there is a square, we are not able to do. When there is no square, we know type 1. No square meaning you keep one factor outside. Very, very careful, very important. You will not get these methods anytime, anywhere outside, from any book nowadays. Careful. I take one outside. Inside, this is your type 1 only. Now I am writing 1 by x plus A. For this, what is resolving partial fractions? A by x plus A, B by x plus B, where AB we know already. Okay? Then take this inside. A by x plus A whole square. What is common? B is outside, this is inside. Now what is inside now? 1 by x plus A into x plus B only. Again type 1. I am not going for original theory. It will be very big. Whole square. 3 constants you have to find. We are not doing. Again you would substitute same answer. If you write the answer here, A by x plus A whole square plus B into, what is the answer again? A by x plus A, B by x plus B only. Now simplify. A by x plus A whole square, AB by x plus A, B square. This is the answer. How we can remember? One idea I will tell you. Whole square without whole square. Whenever there is whole square, you have to repeat 2 times. Huh? When you repeat whole square, one number. When there is no whole square, this number has a square. One linear factor, both of them multiply. Now I want to answer for first partial fractions only. Integration is not difficult. Next you will write answer only minus 1 by x log. That is not difficult. Now you see 1 by x plus 3 whole square into x plus 5. Right? We have to find A by x plus 3. Here I am writing square. AB by x plus 3. B square by x plus 5. How to get A value? When A value, if you want, x equal to minus 3, write down here. Except this minus 3. 5 minus 3. 1 by 2. When you want B value, minus 5 write down, minus 1 by 2. Substitute here, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Complete. How you got AB? This is only, this only. One is outside. You see here, first to understand, one step I write here. I take one outside. What is inside? X plus 3 into x plus 5. Already I gave you type 1. How to write answer? What is type 1 answer? When there are 2 linear, which is small, which is big? We know. What is 5 minus 3? 2. Half of this minus this only. That's only I wrote. See. A, this is A. The A value, B value. Minus 1 by 2. Substitute. As a result, better, it will be very useful. You have one problem also, I will show you how you will get this answer. Not only this example, I will show you one problem. Already you have got 9th worksheet. Consider 57th problem from the assignment. We will do some models from assignment also. Okay, from assignment, we will do one problem. See, problem number 57. Okay, here denominator repeated linear factor is 3x plus 2 by x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3. Easy, simple linear factors given. Just you take this outside, 3x plus 2 by x minus 2 whole square. Where we have difficult repeated one, take one is outside, one factor is outside. You have other two are inside only. Like this, you know how to write it. A value, B value. A by x minus 2, B by x minus 3. How to get A value? Substitute x equal to 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 minus 3, minus 8. How to get B value? 3 substitute here. 9 plus 2, 11. 3 minus 2. So you know A value, B value. This is your formula I told now. What is A value? A by x minus 2 whole square. AB by x minus 2. B square by x minus 3. Over. Right now. Minus 8 by x minus 2 whole square. Minus 88 by x minus 2. Next 121 by plus 3. Okay. Where is this answer now? We are doing now integration. What is integral of 1 by x square? Minus 1 by x. Okay. Here integration 88 log of. Denominator means log of. 121 log of. Taking common. Okay. Take 11 common. Whole power 8, 11. All that inside he is writing. Okay. 121 log of. So answer is finished. 11 common, whole power 8 to whole power 11 is writing values. See, this is the procedure where sometimes problem looks like very lengthy. If you are very perfect with formula orientation, yes, it will take time. Don't think first for one formula, one problem you are doing too much confusion, I will not remember. That is not my intention. My idea, when I gave some methods, practice that until you are perfect in that. Don't leave with one problem I am doing. You practice your own. So many models you write. Get speed. Then go to exam. Okay. I gave one problem from the assignment. Only one is there. Hence we are happier. You create your examples with whole square. Repeat them. Do 3, 4, 5 problems. Then you are ready. Okay. This is about partial fractions. Type 2. Now, very rare type 3. That also I will tell you. Immediately, you can finish the solution. What is the type 3? In your textbook also you have. That is why definitely chance is there in CET. Denominator contains only one repeated linear factor. Only one, no other combination. 2 are there, 3 are there, nothing. Okay, only one. What is that? 1 by, okay, numerator 4x plus 3 by x plus 1 whole square. Only one repeated. Numerator can be anything. Suppose I write 3x minus 2 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. Repeated. This is possible. One problem you have in your exercise. That is why this model also I am giving. How to do this problem? Leave the first method. Means partial fractions theory, leave it. Why? Because for whole square, how many constants you have to select? If I consider original theory, a by x plus 1, b by x plus 1 whole square. As per theory I am showing, by any chance in the exam, if you forget formula and idea, Original method you have to do at the end. That's why one model I am showing. Cross multiplying 4x plus 3 equal to a into x plus 1 plus b. Compare x terms both sides. 4 equal to a. Completed. Constants both sides. 3 equal to a plus b. Then what is b value? Substitute a value 4. 4 plus b is 3. B equal to 3 minus 4. Minus 1. All that you should write. Develop yourself. One step you write. Third step you have to write. 2 steps you leave them. Therefore b value over. Then you have to substitute here. What is a value here? 4 by x plus 1. B value minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Then integration. Once you get partial fractions, integration is not difficult. How you get this a value, b value only important? Then you are following this theory. If I give whole cube, 3 constants. Why? Because a by 2x plus 1, b by 2x plus 1, c by 2x plus 1 whole cube. How many constants? 3 constants. Not easy. Mechanically it will be more. Getting 3 numbers, calculation will be more. But in the exam, I will give you integral 2x plus 1 by whole power 4. Now how many constants? 4 constants. A, B, C, D. Not easy calculation. When you do calculations for partial fractions only that much very big, integration where you will finish. Hence, it is not easy. Therefore, we should have some idea for that. That idea now I will give you. Okay? What you do is take this first problem. Your first problem in that 4x plus 3 by x plus 1 whole square. Problem is here only. Replace x plus 1 as y. Single variable. Then what is x value? Y minus 1. Write down here 4 into y minus 1, 3 by y square. Right? 4y minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. Separate the denominator. Then what is the answer? 4 by y. Problem is finished. You replace your y. We assume that y is x plus 1. Then what is finally? 4 by x plus 1 minus 1 by whole square. Okay, for square this you are giving, but when I consider 4, now you see 4. Suppose if I am giving problem is 3x plus 2 by x minus 2 whole power 4. How many constants? A, B, C, D. Finding 4 constants is not easy. Not easy in the sense of very lengthy method. Possible but very lengthy. You cannot do for objective. Hence, what you do, once you practice, third level I am telling. This is second level. First level method I gave. Now second I gave you alternate substitution. You must be perfect with the third stage I told. What is your substitution here? X minus 2, y. Okay? X minus 2 is y. Then what is x value? Y plus 2. When you write y plus 2 here, what happens? 3y plus 8. Y power 4, separate the denominator. 3 by y cube. 8 by x minus 2 whole power 4. Answer over. I am not writing any step. Don't think I am not a scientist. Everybody will be scientist only. You can do this method. How I am writing, I am showing. Practice in this way. How you got answer? That level you should reach. See, what is the substitution here? X minus 2 is y. X equal to y plus 2. Write down there. Plus 2 by y power 4. Simplify, means multiply. 3y plus 6 plus 2, 8. By y power 4, split the denominator. 1y cancel. All that space, what you are doing, you do solution in space orally. which is required at the end, compulsory, one step compulsory, on the paper write down. There we need improvement. Then further integration is not difficult because it is 1 by x4 formula. Minus 3 by 4, minus 5 by 5. Integration is easy. Now, based on this, I will write one more example. How you will get answer 4x plus 3 by x minus 6. Okay. Whole power 4. 4 constants. Then what we do? X minus 6 equal to y. X equal to y plus 6. When x is y plus 6, multiply 4y, 24, 3, 27. 4y, 4 by y power 4, one term cancel, x minus 6 whole cube, 24 will be as it is only. See, answer is finished. This is our stage, third stage. You know the problem, how you got, nobody knows, you will get this answer. Further integration check with ABCD. How you write integration? Minus 3 by whole power 4. 24 times minus 4 by whole power 5. Answer is not big. Getting the constant is important. This is very rare to get in the case of partial fractions. If they give denominator contains only one repeated linear factor as a general rule, how you will remember, I will give you now. That idea you can keep, or else you can note this in your list of formula as per synopsis. For this type 3, based on that all that above examples, problems, you can have one formula also, a general rule. Take this in your synopsis. F of x by x plus a whole power n. Okay. Numerator there is one function, linear. Denominator only one linear factor repeated number of times. Where n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number, any natural number, any higher number, no problem. Right? Then, what is our working rule? First step, put x plus a equal to y. X equal to y minus a. Second step, express problem means given one in terms of y. How to write now? Problem equal to x in terms of y by final step, split the denominator. Answer is finished. You assume, here you see, I gave 4. How many constants? 4 constants. A, B, C, D. How many answers constants you are getting? 2. What are the other 2? Zeros. Others are 0. You got only 2 constants. Definitely some terms will be zeros. Even if I write x plus 1 by x minus 5 whole power 10, integration only, this is also. As per theory concerned here, using partial fractions theory, how many constants A, B, C, D, F, G, so on? 10 constants. Right? We are not finding that numbers. Replace x minus 5 as y. X equal to y plus 5. Write down here y plus 5 plus 1. Y plus 6. Y plus 6. Split the denominator. Y power 10, y power 10. Then what is the answer here? 1 by y power 9. 6 by y power 10. Completed. Replace y in terms of x. Okay, that is your final step. Third step, split the denominator over. What is fourth step? Going back. Replace y as x. Answer is finished. in terms of x. What is y value? X minus 5. 1 by x minus 5 power 9, 6 by x minus 5 power 10. Answer is finished. Out of 10 constants, you are getting only 2. Other 8 are zeros. This is so called denominator contains only one repeated linear factors. These types, 3 types, are commonly useful in all exams for object type questions in partial fractions theory. After this, next we enter to essay type questions, which will be 1 by quadratic, linear by quadratic, linear root to linear into, all essay type questions which you have got in your PUC for 5 marks, 7 marks, something. All those discussions I am giving you how to write answer directly, either with formula or with idea. That is very costly and is important. In the next episode, I will start this one. Until that, what you got, practice them. Okay?